Hey everybody, it's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and I know you've got lots of summer plans to travel, and you gotta keep all your toiletries and goodies safe and sound, and in style. Well, the Dapper Dopp Kit from Hobo might just be the one. This travel kit is made of a supple, high quality leather. It has a vintage feel and look. You can see the zippers around the top have that bronze look to give you more vintage look, and around to the back we've got one exterior pocket with that zipper and that beautiful polyester lining to keep your goodies organized. Got a convenient carrying handle with the adjustable strap, which not only gives you convenience but also a cool vintage look. And moving onto the inside, got that double zipper, the easy pull handle, and on the inside we've got that really nice polyester lining with two interior slip pockets and an additional little pocket there to keep all your goodies nice and organized. So for that travel kit that's got lots of style and tons of functional storage, you're not gonna wanna miss out on this bad boy from Hobo.